Oh.
Where's the fish,
Where's
baby?
the fish? Where's the fish?
I said what?
Oh.
What happened?
Dean is messing up her bed. We'll fix it when he's...
No. Dean's messing on my bed.
He is.
We'll fix it.
I am not surprised.
Have you taken any?
Yep, he take all my stuff and my blankets and everything. Oh.
Are you taking a movie?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Tessa, can you smile at the camera, please?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job.
Oh, look at these fish. Yeah, there's another fish.
I know.
And there's a fish.
I have 3 fishes. Ooh.
Are these your fish? What are their names?
This is Taylor, and that's Dee, and that's me.
Oh, they're named after you guys? Are you the little one?
Yep, I'm the oldest.
Nice.
So, ooh.
Go ahead.